Hello, this is Dan from Keyoti. To demonstrate geospatial search using SearchUnit, we are going to set up a simple job website where you can search for jobs based on the location you enter. These will be the basic steps in setting up geospatial search. There are of course many ways to further enhance the search features, but this should serve as a good starting point. For this tutorial we will be working with an empty ASP.NET project. So to start, I'm going to quickly add SearchUnit to the project. If you need help on setting up your first SearchUnit project, please see the QuickStart Guides for ASP.NET or MVC setup, which have detailed instructions. I have already created some basic HTML pages that represent the different jobs to be searched, and just for ease of indexing I've added a simple link to the next page to help the crawler index the pages. Okay, so for our job web pages to be included in a geospatial search, they must have the latitude and longitude of the job location specified in the custom data field. Now there are various ways of adding custom data to the indexed items. For full details, please see the custom data section of the help documentation, but for our purposes we're going to simply add the geolocation custom data by adding the following meta tag. Once we have the custom data added to our pages, we can go ahead and create our index. So I will create a folder to store our index files, and then copy the path to that folder and load up the Index Manager tool. Again, just for simplicity, I've stored our pages within the web application itself, and we will just carry out a simple website import. As the pages in my example are within the project, I have run the application so the web server is running and then imported the documents using the Index Manager tool. Next, we add the geolocation filter control to the search page. This code can be found in the help documentation under custom data filters. The filter control will provide a drop-down list of different radius options for the location being searched. To facilitate the user entering free text to describe their location, use a geocoding service such as Google's Places API. The following code can be found in the documentation and includes Keyoti's API key, which will only work from local hosts. You can of course obtain your own key from Google and replace it in the code. Now we add the SearchUnit control to the page using the following code, and the search result control, which will display our search results for us. This also contains the sort controls and geospatial search options. Lastly, we just need to set the index directory path for our job site index, like this. All these code snippets can be found on our tutorial page of the website and the SearchUnit documentation. If we run our application and start typing a location, we can see the suggestions provided by the Google Places API. A search for accountant will only show those jobs located within, in this example, a 10-mile radius of Vancouver. So this has been the simplest way of implementing geospatial search using our SearchUnit control. There are many ways to further enhance these features. Please take a look at the documentation or contact us at Keyoti for advice. Thank you very much for watching.